Hey, how's it going? Here again, I'm watching Coco on television. I don't know if you can hear it, but today we have Mongolian chicken. So, it's usually pretty good. They give you quite a bit. And I did have one comment. Actually, my sister said, "You need points so you can see the food." I couldn't see the food, so I guess now you can kind of see the food now, different angle. But yeah, I have Mongolian chicken. I just got a little extra Parmesan chicken there. They didn't have noodles, so I just got the Parmesan chicken, except for these noodles. But anyway, and then some green beans and some kind of rice pilaf or something. But just to taste it. And oh, I'm drinking some tea, but it's from a Keurig. We got them. We just had them in the what do you call it? The cabinet, wherever we keep our stuff. The Snapple lemon iced tea. You just put it in your Keurig. I don't know if you ever had. I never had that before. I've seen the hot chocolate, but I haven't seen tea. It's lemon tea, Snapple, and I just add a little more sugar to it. So make sure you got enough ice because it melted all my ice. I'm glad I brought 2 cups of ice. And it's not bad. Nice lemon taste. So I put I put some comino or cumin, some curry inside of here, a little bit of garlic, granulated garlic, some red peppers, soy sauce, and they put some what's that other sauce? Teriyaki. So not bad. You had a choice of putting bell peppers, onions, mushrooms. What else? Bell peppers, onions, mushrooms. Some kind of, I don't remember what it's called. They put in all the Chinese food, but I can't remember what it's called. It's like little, carrots too, but it looks like little pieces of white shavings. It's not cabbage. Well, you ever had Asian food, you know what I'm talking about. I have no idea what it's called right now. But they're little white. They look like shavings, but they're like, if you shave carrots, they look like that, but they're white. I don't know what they're called. Anyway, maybe you guys know what it's called. But anyway, I put that in there too, and they have broccoli. I left the broccoli out this time, so it's pretty good. A little spicy. I think because I put curry and red peppers, crushed red peppers in there. In fact, it's really spicy.
I thought you hated music.
I accidentally put too much red peppers in there, but I didn't think it was me that spicy.
When my husband would play and I would sing and nothing else mattered.
Yep, it's spicy.
But when we had Coco, suddenly there was something in my life that mattered more.
Oh, and I put black pepper. That's probably why it's super spicy. Black pepper, red peppers, and curry powder.
We each made a sacrifice to get what we wanted. Now
Not bad.
must make a choice.
It's a lot of food.
Pick sides. Why can't you be on my
It's
side?
green. Basically just
What
canned
am I supposed to do?
green beans.
Support you.
Nothing special about them.
But you never will.
The rice pilaf isn't too bad. They do a pretty good job. And the Parmesan, I just got it just because I haven't had it in a while. I just didn't want to miss out. Not bad. It's a little dry. Overall, not bad. The marinara here is pretty good.
It's okay. I'm Ernesto's
So we gotta travel tomorrow. So I don't know if I'll do one tomorrow. They have better food down where I'm going. But yep, I'm here Sunday night now.
You were on fire tonight. You too.
But
Hey, musician to musician, I need a favor.
it's kind of quiet in here without my battle buddy. We left back to New Jersey. He's from New Jersey. He's a police officer over there. He's National Guard. He was here with us for a couple months. Just me and the chaplain. The chaplain is out. The line for this was really long. But they don't do it all the time, so it's like a long line and they grill it in front of you, whatever. The tea's pretty good. I started finding a lot of stuff in our little drawer over there because it was just thrown in there. All kinds of stuff. And I found this lemon Snapple tea. The cure is pretty good. But anyway, the noodles are pretty good. They didn't overcook them. Yeah, I put too much red pepper in here. Because I kind of poured it over, and you know how you pour the wrong side and it kind of just pops out. That wasn't the sprinkle side. Whew. That's twice I've messed these up. Last time I don't know why I made a mistake. I put salt in there, but they put soy sauce in there too. But I wasn't thinking about that the first time. It was way too salty. Not bad. Surf and turf is good, and Mongolian night. And Wednesdays are wing night. The wings are okay, but it's one of the better things you can get. It's kind of fresh, you know. They cook it right there. The noodles are already cooked. The chicken's already cooked. They just mix it all together and put the vegetables in there. But it's good. I haven't seen Coco in a while. I was going to show you something. I made a little drawing. My friend, I don't know if y'all ever heard of Braveheart, but when he stands up, he goes, "Freedom!" And he wants to, you know, he's saying freedom, Braveheart. William Wallace is his name. Anyway, I made a little marker drawing of him. It's really hard to do with dry erase. So every time you try and redraw something, you know, it erases it with a marker. So it wasn't too bad. It's pretty good. But drawing with dry erase is really hard. It's because it erases everything. Even when you write with the marker, you rewrite on it, you're just erasing it. You have to redraw it. And anyway, but this is really spicy. Abby would like them. Mariah would like them. Allie, I don't think she likes spicy food. And then my wife wouldn't like them. I mean, she would like them, but not this spicy. Yeah, she wouldn't like them this spicy. But yeah. Elijah, he might like them. He likes spicy, but not too spicy. He's kind of like my wife. Allie, I think Allie likes spicy too. Yeah, not too spicy, but the girls really like spicy, except for my wife. No, Elijah's not a big spicy, I don't think. My dad loves spicy. He would've liked these. He's like, sabrosos. It's hard to sniffle now. Anyway, dad would have loved these. Really hot.
Is it too much? You look overwhelmed.
No.
Well, for him, it probably wouldn't be hot.
It's great.
But anyway, well, you can't really see him anymore, but
I've been up to you my whole life.
that's all I got for today.
You're the guy who actually did
If
it.
you like it, subscribe, share it,
Did you
whatever.
ever regret it? Choosing music over
Whew.
everything
Spicy.
else?
And yeah, like it, subscribe, share, and hopefully I'll have some more stuff for you. Different days, different
Leaving
stuff.
your family?
Like they do hot dogs and hamburgers. I might try that someday. Do a hamburger hot dog day or something like that. But if you maybe give me suggestions what you want me to try or what they might have here, or any questions or whatever. But thanks a lot. God bless.